but I'm really ready to go party. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing a little eyeliner look. With that being said, let's get started. So you might recognize if you watched my videos that I did a fresh face look. Go ahead and take a look at that video. So today I'm just going to focus on the eyeliner part, and I kind of want to practice on that as well. I'm not that good at applying eyeliner that's like very bold and beautiful. So I'm going to try that. So if I make mistakes, make them along with me, I guess. Let's go ahead and start. So first and foremost, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Day to Night palette, and I am going in with a kind of nude tone. I'm going to be using the LA Colors liquid eyeliner. I'm going to be using the NYX eyeliner, and I'm going to be using the Pandayan eyeliner in white. So I'm just going to go ahead and try and wing it, guys. I know what I want to do. I'm going to be using my Morphe Coconut Eyeliner, and I'm going to be using my LA Colors Brow and Eyeliner. I'm going to be doing a little bit of black in here. I'm going to get my white eyeliner, and I'm going to apply it in here. I'm going to be using the Kylie Lip Liner, and this is my Oogie Boogie ColourPop Cosmetics. So guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? But I'm really ready to go party. No, I'm kidding. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's free and it helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys.